For our Irish ancestors, death rituals were not only acts of mourning, but powerful expressions of cultural continuity, bridges to the other world. At its heart was the Bean Chaointe, or the keening woman, known for her vocal expressions of grief and lament. Usually performed by older women, keening was more than sorrow, it was a structured communal act of ritual. Through her lament, the Bean Chaointe guided the living through grief, while symbolically supporting the dead at the threshold. More than a mourner, she was an intermediary, giving voice to memory, landscape and lineage, and to the enduring presence of the dead within them. Join me, Eileen Huluan, on this online course, Lamenting the Dead, the Bean Chaointe, the Keening Woman, Irish Ancestral Rituals of Death, Grief, and the Gaelic Otherworld. Here we remember the women who guided both the living in their sorrow and the dead between worlds.